people. What's good, foodies? I hope you're having an amazing Friday wherever you are. You're welcome back to Foodie Friday. My name's Keely Jade Brewer and you're watching MX24 in case you didn't know. Well, Foodie Friday is that one place where the foodies convene and this is where we come to chill. This is our safe space. This is where we can eat and be foodians in our own right. And today I'm here with someone super special, but before we jump into that, I want you to know that if you're looking for a powerful blender, if you're tired of your blender sticking, disappointing you, not being able to crush ice, not being able to blend tomatoes in peace, you need to go ahead and get yourself a blender from Secotech Ghana. Go ahead and grab yourself a blender from Secotech and they have a wide array of appliances. We have their air fryer right here in the back and trust me, you don't want to miss out on the goodies that they have over at Secotech. You can call them on 0244 561-052. That's 0244-561-052. And follow them at Secotech Ghana on social media. Follow them on at Secotech Ghana on social media. Power, precision, perfection. Also, you know who really cares? Gino. Gino truly cares indeed. Go ahead and grab some Gino tomato mix and also the jollof mix. You don't want to miss out on the rich tomato goodness of Gino. Tried, tested, generationally approved. Go ahead and get yourself some Gino products because Gino truly cares. Now today is super special. If you're on TikTok, if you're a food lover, you know this gentleman. This man is a big man on TikTok, trending with videos crossing views up to 2.3 million. His name is Aduane Wura, and he's in the kitchen with us today. You're welcome.
Oh, nice meeting you. You're so lovely.
Nice to meet you.
So what are we doing today?
Guys, today we're cooking Gari Fotor, but we have a celebrity in the studio, and I'm super excited. We're making Gari Fotor today. This was your pick.
Yes, yes.
Not even my pick. I'm wondering, why did you choose Gari Fotor?
Because today we are trying to make it look very special.
Ah.
We want to cook it in a special way, not the normal way. This is a Harvard, it wasn't a Harvard Gari Fotor.
Very true, because I'm seeing some expensive ingredients like avocado and things.
We have plantains, we have sausages, we have our carrots, we have our green peppers and our onions, and our fresh tomatoes too as well.
Ah, yes, yes, yes. A little bit of everything.
Yes.
So it's going to be an amazing day.
Very, very amazing.
I'm curious, is Gari Fotor one of your favorites?
It's not my favorite, you know, because I love how I make it. So yeah, I'm also going to enjoy that.
I'm here for it. I'm here for it.
So, are we about to start now?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay,
Let's go.
okay. So, first of all, this is our pot.
Okay.
We're going to pour in our oil.
Our oil.
Yes.
Let me just hand that over to you. It's your kitchen.
Thank you.
Nice one.
Yes.
Let me help you out with the stove.
This goes back.
Yes.
And then put the oil, the pan here.
Okay.
Yes.
So let's go over our ingredients one more time.
Okay.
We have the gari, the plantain. What goes where? Because for someone who doesn't know much about Ghanaian food, they might assume that everything is going into the Gari Fotor. So what exactly is Gari Fotor?
So Gari Fotor is just a mix of the gari. It's like a touch. You know, people normally do just make Gari Fotor with just palm oil and then just to get a color. But today we are making it in a way that it's going to look like jollof. Jollof in a Gari Fotor way. That is it.
So basically Gari Jollof.
Yes, Gari Jollof.
Gari that went to Harvard.
Yes, yes.
All right, so while our oil is heating up, what's going in there first?
Well, let's do with the sausages first.
Sausages. And I also see we have some boiled eggs over here.
Yes.
Some boiled egg situation is going on. Okay.
As a Ghanaian, you always need eggs in your food.
Let me ask, why do you think as Ghanaians we love eggs so much?
I feel like growing up, you know, getting an egg on your food, like egg was like the source of protein where, I don't know how to explain this, but egg was just like the best. It was
just readily available.
Get it, because when you're growing up, your father is going to have the chicken. You can't have the chicken. Your mom would just definitely give you the eggs. So we are used to eggs as Ghanaians. So.
All right, so what? We're throwing our sausages
Yes.
in. Let me grab you a
Okay.
nice little cook spoon. Okay, here you go.
Thank you.
All right.
So yes. So we are putting the sausage in because we want the oil to, you know, take the flavors from the sausages. Yes.
Okay. Let me grab you some paper towels to drain your sausages when you're done.
Thank you.
But let's talk about what it's like to be a food content creator.
It's tough.
Why did you join into that space? Because I asked you off the cuff, what's your day job? And you said you're into automobiles. I would have never guessed that by looking at your page.
Yes. Nobody actually guessed that about me, because that's like the other side of me, and then the food side is also a different side of me. You get it? Nobody knows I'm into automobiles. You get it? We do cars and other stuffs. You get it? But the food is just like my passion.
Your passion.
So I'm just showing my passion through content.
But how did that passion come about? Because a lot of guys in Accra, some of them, they can't cook. We've seen them. So we know you.
So my mom owns a chop bar, right? And then growing up, I've been helping her around cooking and stuff. You get it? So cooking food is just like, it's on the tip of my hands. You get it? It's something I wouldn't struggle to make. You get it? And then I just wanted to show that through content. You get it? And that's when I started to make my content.
But working in an automobile industry and then segueing into content creation, did you always have the on-camera confidence, or is it something you had to learn?
No, it's something I had to learn.
Yeah?
Yeah, I had to learn that because, people that know you before know you from the auto, you get it? And now they are seeing you on their screen, so it's a bit, so I know this guy from somewhere, you get it? So you just have to, so it's like I have two personalities. I have the content personality and I have the auto personality, you get it? So it's just two people in one body.
Hey, I want to be like you. Me too, I want to have two personalities. Hey.
I know, right?
Nice one. That's nice. So you started content creation what year?
I think in the year 2022. But it wasn't based on food. At that time, I was creating content for other brands, like, restaurants, clothing stores, barbering shops. That was just like a side job for me.
Oh, nice.
And then until I started to see food content on TikTok. There's this guy in China. I don't know whether it's Asia or he makes incredible food content.
Is it Foodie China 888?
Yes.
Yes.
That guy.
Yes.
He makes
with the thing, and he'll pour the thing and say evil chicken bouillon.
You get it.
With the sounds in the background.
But I couldn't create that content because I don't want people to see me eating on the screen like weird way. So I just had in my mind, let me just cook, show whatever I'm cooking, and then just have a taste of it. That's it. And then so before my food content actually, I started with the street food, trying various street food because in Ghana here, we are mostly go to the restaurant just to eat and have people don't actually see where to get the best street food. You get it? It's basically I don't feel street food, but
why do you think people look down on street food so much?
I feel it's because of the environment.
Yeah,
the environment, but don't watch the budget.
Hey, me dear, if I'm going to buy wache and the wache is not coming from a place of cholera, I'm not sure if I want to purchase that wache.
Imagine you're going to buy wache and then the Amelia is speaking fancy. Like some serious fancy. You're like, nah,
right?
This is not where I'm supposed to be.
How is that even possible to begin with?
You get it. So, and then with street food, I don't know, it gives some kind of taste. Like, I don't know, it comes with a special feeling. Like, you know that, I know this is not good, but I'm eating it. I don't know how to explain that. It's
a guilty pleasure.
Yes.
It's a guilty pleasure.
Yes. But with fine dining, it's just sit down, pretend as if you're having
you know what to expect with your pinky up and everything. Very true. Very true. But street food, honestly, I would say is the bedrock of our culture in general.
It is, but right now, I'm just glad it's coming back together. It's coming back because before, people didn't actually, have much respect for street food. They just felt like buying street food is like you're buying a disease, but that's totally wrong. That's right now, you can even buy food from restaurants and then you have diarrhea. But with street food, you can see, and then when you see, a street food joint with a lot of people, cars are packed there. Just know that side is, it's meant to be whatever it is.
The food is banging over there.
That is it.
But what are some new discoveries you made exploring street food? Or what are some things you found that maybe initially you looked at it and you looked down on it, but then you tried it and you're like, this is amazing?
I think, I've forgotten, there's this one we eat with sugar.
Sugar and aboboy.
Aboboy. I used to look down on aboboy very, very much. Like I was like, why would I eat
beans with sugar, bambara beans and sugar,
and plantains?
Yeah.
I used to look down very, very much. But after I tasted it, and I was like, this is why people like it, you know. So we're taking our sausages out now because if we don't take it, they might burn.
And we don't want to do that. Let me lower the fire on that.
Don't want any burnt food in this kitchen.
Totally an aboboy. Funny enough, that was a childhood guilty pleasure of mine growing up in Comty 2.
I don't know. you know, it looks a bit weird. Yes,
Yeah.
and then the thought of you adding sugar to beans and then adding plantain, because plantain is sweet. So in my mind, I'm like, there's a whole, you know, combination of different flavors in your mouth. Until I tried it actually, and I realized that this is actually very, very good.
Yeah.
Yes.
What else did you discover on your journey?
I think what else? Maybe I'm not a kinky person, but through what I've been seeing on the TikTok trend and everything, I decided to try kinky with my friends, and then it became like another thing that I've been keeping like it has been keeping me like on a long wait while, but I finally tasted it.
And it was good.
Very, very
You know, I
good.
have a question for you, considering you're a food influencer. Do people fake reviews? Like, let's say you go somewhere and you eat, and the food is genuinely not nice.
If it's not nice, I won't post it.
If it's not nice, you'll
Because I don't know how to, you know, tarnish somebody's business. Maybe that day it might went wrong. Yet maybe that day there was a bit of pressure in the kitchen, so it might went wrong. So I'm rather maybe call the manager or something, be like, oh, today the food I bought was, you know, a bit, you know, maybe try doing this, try or adding this, you know,
to make it better.
to spice it up. That is it.
You're better than some people. Some people
Because
will just go ahead and post it.
I can't just sit on camera and then be like, well, no, I can't do that. Because that's somebody's daily bread.
True.
You get it. So now let's fry our onions.
Okay, cool. So we're frying our onions to make the stew base.
Yes, please.
Okay, cool.
So this is going to go in just a bit.
Yes.
So you can actually smell sausages in
In there.
but there's no sausages here. So yeah.
So what's your favorite part about being a food influencer,
The fact
creating
that-
food content?
The fact that I'm open to trying new foods, and then I'm trying things that I never thought I would be, you know, eating and stuff.
What's
Yeah.
the weirdest thing you tried?
The weirdest thing I've tried is dog meat.
Hey, come on,
Yes.
just a woof woof, just a aroo.
Yes, it's dog meat, but not like
You
like
ate bingo. Oh my God.
peas. The one I ate was called peas. Yes, so it was dog meat, but
Okay.
it wasn't actually like me taking like a full meal, just a bite.
Not a full dog.
Yeah, just a bite.
Just
I
small dog.
my curiosity wanted me to, you know, taste something.
I'm curious, where did you go and find this dog meat?
The dog meat in Kumasi.
You went to eat dog meat in Kumasi?
Kumasi, yes.
Like you went all the way to Kumasi to go and eat dog meat?
Yes.
Wow. Please narrate the experience. So Accra wants to know.
Okay,
Accra, am I lying?
So the experience with the dog, I didn't know I was going to eat dog meat that day. So we went in to get in a moto,
Okay.
and then there was this man. You know how they do this abuchi thing?
Yes.
Yes. So he told us plain that he has goats, he has cow, he has dog, and then he has rabbit.
Rabbit.
And I'm like, oh, I've tasted rabbit before. Rabbit tastes just like chicken.
Yeah.
But dog is something, you know.
You've never tried.
Yeah, so he should just give us like a piece of it.
Small
It-
bingo.
Oh, small bingo. So a piece of it, just to know, you know, how it tastes. And then when I tasted it, you know, it has a nice taste, but in my mind it's weird.
Yeah, Charlie. That's
It's very,
somebody's
very-
best friend.
I know, right? It's very, very weird in my
Somebody's
mind.
best friend.
Very, very weird.
Do you know what's wild? The wildest thing about your story is that other people may be cringing, but they may have tried dog meat and they are not even
Yes,
aware.
yes, yes. These abuchi sellers. Oh, come on. Come on. I'm sure almost like about 80% of Ghanaians have tried dog meat.
Dog meat.
Because the sausages, you don't know where it's coming from. They're just in for it, that's all.
You know, growing up in Liberia, there was this.
Oh, you grew up in Liberia?
At a point in
Oh,
time,
okay,
yes,
that's
I
nice.
did. Oh, thank you.
That's very cool.
Yeah, there was this guy who used to come to my school. So my school ranged from nursery all the way to 12th grade.
Okay.
So he would come, and after school, he's selling this roasted meat in his cart. And we're all buying it, right? So it's like roasted meat and then liver as well. Mm-hmm. We're all buying. And then one day, somebody who is a bona fide dog eater went and bought some of the meat and tasted it and was like, but this is dog now. And I'm just looking at this guy like,
You guys have been eating this for...
I'm like, maybe the one he gave me was cow. Maybe today your own is dog because
you
but
know,
since then I wasn't
and then
able to
you know,
purchase from him.
with dog, it has like a unique taste. You get it?
What's the taste like?
I can't describe the taste. It's closer to eating pork, but not pork.
Okay, I get you.
It's closer to pork, but not pork. That's how you because a dog is a bit tough to chew. Yeah. And then when it comes to this, you know, with abuchi, they already have sliced meat. Oh, come on. I'm sure about 80% of Ghanaians have chewed pork. What is it? Dog, they don't even know. So can we get one of the Gino Jollof?
Yes. Let's open the almighty Gino Jollof. You need to go out here and get this because the spices in here, honestly, are ethereal and it makes your food amazing. Get you the tomato paste that elevates your cooking. Right here with Gino Jollof mix. Here we go.
Gino truly cares.
Gino truly cares.
I know how making jollof is very stressful.
Do you understand?
And then now they've brought everything together just to make a simple jollof recipe.
Right? If there's no love, I don't know what it is though.
So guys, tomato paste is going in.
Yep.
And then as a normal Ghanaian, you have to stir. Stir and cook the tomatoes for a bit while.
Would you like a bit more?
Maybe just a tiny
bit more. Can't get enough of this. Okay, there we go. There we go. There we go.
That's
clean
a
sweep. Okay. Sorry, I got carried away. So yes, so far you've tried dog. We've established that. I don't know how I feel about trying bingo, but maybe I would keep my options open.
You know, we are humans. You know, you're supposed to try things you feel. You know, because I didn't actually chew like a fool. You know, let's say a dog tie or something.
A dog tie is wild.
Just let's say a tiny bit of this. Kitswe, just a pinch of it.
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit.
Nice. But I think for me, the weirdest thing I've probably tried is frog legs. But then it's weird based on region. Because to the French, frog legs is just frog legs.
Is it a normal frog or they have... Hey, I wanted to ask.
Sexy frog.
So with a frog that they normally consume, is it a normal frogs we Ghanaians know around?
I do not think so. I want to believe that it's a sexy frog that smokes cigars on the weekend, that's very calm, like a frog that goes to Dubai to chill and things. I don't want to imagine that it's the frog I've been hearing singing in my area after it rains.
Because if it's that frog,
I hope not. But honestly, frog legs are like chicken wings, very dainty. But it's like having tiny chicken wings. And it tastes really good, and the bones are not hard.
It tastes like... So you say you consume the bones too as well?
No. Like, you don't have to chew the bones, but I know some people like to crack bones. I, for one, I don't crack bones.
But as a Ghanaian...
Well, but, you know, people like to crack bones. And the bones are not that difficult to crack anyway. So, it's really nice. It holds onto sauces very well. It holds onto sauces very well, so... I would recommend everyone goes out to try some frog legs today. I don't think I would eat frog legs in soup.
And so why?
But in sauce.
So it has to be spicy.
Not necessarily spicy. You could make a garlic recipe with frog legs. So like frog legs and a nice garlic white wine sauce is always amazing.
I can try bingo. But I can never try frog because you know how the Ghanaian frog looks like. Their skin.
No, but I promise you, when you have a plate of frog legs in front of you, you think it's really tiny chicken wings.
So you don't actually consume the whole frog. It's just
just the legs. Just the legs. They have it skinned and everything, and it's just a tiny little piece. You know, super expensive though. Super expensive. Okay.
It's hard to catch.
Yeah.
So right now we're going to throw in our spices.
Okay.
And then we need the Gino curry powder just to give it a bit of flavor.
Okay.
You know. So
let me help you with that.
Please.
Our stew is making progress, which is great.
Yes.
We're getting somewhere. This Gari Fotor is almost ready.
Almost. It's a quick meal. After work, if you are tired and then you have a stew in your fridge, just throw in some Gari.
I can't even lie. The stew is not ready yet, but it smells amazing. Good?
Yes, add just a tiny, just a little, this is a pinch. Yes.
When you're cooking and you're seasoning food, what's your method? Do you eyeball it? Do you measure with your spoon, or you do until your ancestors say stop?
I just do until my ancestors say stop.
Me too.
Yes. So
Me too.
We're going in with our spices. This is our own mixed spices. So just
kind courtesy of Chef Aduane Wura and our producer Rookie. Shouts to Rookie.
She mixed everything very, very well. Yes.
We love to see it. This smells amazing. So our stew is almost ready. I see our sausages are here. These eggs, What are we doing with these here?
So
eggs?
we are going to scramble them.
Okay.
So after the stew is a bit, ready, you take the stew, put it somewhere, fry the eggs, scramble them, put the egg on the side. You just stay here.
Let them cook.
Just stay here and watch.
Let them cook.
Just be here.
All right, cool. So let's just cover up the stew
Yes.
and leave it to cook a little bit.
Yes.
And when it's done, we'll be right back to continue with the rest of this. All right, so our stew is ready. We have our stew down. Everything is ready. Up next is our eggs. I want to scramble some
So I want
eggs.
to scramble some eggs here.
Okay.
So the oil is going to go in the pot as usual, just a bit. And then we're going to directly break. I need a spoon, please.
Yes, let me grab you one. Here you go.
So directly, we're going to break the eggs straight.
Into the vat of oil.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
We're going to cover it just for some few minutes to make it, a bit heavy.
All right. So earlier you mentioned that you started off cooking or learning how to cook from your mom's shop bar.
Yes.
What was it like growing up working in the shop bar as a young boy? Because most young boys want to go out, play soccer, hang with their friends.
It was fun. Trust me, it was fun because, the meat, they are cooking the meat, you are still in.
I didn't even think about that angle.
So it's like every time people want to be your friends because they know that, Kingsley's January is going to bring something, something for us to eat or enjoy our stuff. You get it? It was really, really fun actually. I won't lie, it was really, really fun. And the fact that you get to know a lot of recipes, try different, because aside whatever they are cooking to sell, they cook something they will actually want to eat. And they're like maybe in a quick meal, some quick appreciate meal, you will even think, oh, this thing will take maybe an hour, about an hour or something. But they will make it very, very quick.
But with cooking, I've come to realize that if you know how to cook, it gets easier to cook in the first place because you know what steps to take.
It's like you being, let's say, a dancer. When you get to a program, you're not supposed to dance, just some moves and then people know you're a dancer. So the same applies to food. With food, if you know how to cook food, it's just some skirmishes and then you just keep people, say, oh my God, this food is nice, That's all you need. Nothing much.
Okay, so our eggs are almost ready.
Yes.
Nicely scrambled.
So the next thing we're going to do is to fry the plantains.
Okay.
Yes.
So I'm going to drop the plantains in some oil.
Yes.
And then our stew is ready. So then what's our Gari Fotor saying?
Our Gari Fotor will come in because I don't want us to mix it right now. If we mix it right now, it's going to, harden, you get it. So the Gari is going to be at the last stage. We are going to mix with a bit of water and then straight into our pot of stew. Yes.
Sorry, I just like to press fast forward to the cinema. Don't mind me. But with Gari, why do you think so many people look down on Gari? Because to me, Gari is a superfood on its own. It's versatile.
I feel it's because of the taste, and then people actually think Gari is just usually used for either soakings or the eba. That is totally wrong. Get it? Right now we are trying Gari jollof.
Have you tried Gari porridge?
Not really.
Let me put you on.
How do you make that?
So with Gari porridge, you get the Gari. You have
Can I get something to take the eggs out?
Yes, you may. Here you go.
Thank you.
So you have let me take that off. You have the Gari with a pot of water.
Okay.
You add just a pinch of salt. You throw the Gari in there. Make sure water go past Gari. You understand? Water go past Gari.
We've changed from our.
Because it's a porridge. So you just let it boil until the Gari softens. And then it makes a porridge, a nice little porridge. You can throw over some milk and then a pinch of cinnamon or a pinch of nutmeg.
So wait.
Some sugar.
Go over again.
So you just have a thing of hot water, boiling water.
Is it not going to turn into a bar?
No.
Gari
You use
porridge.
minimal Gari with more water. And then you keep stirring until it makes a nice uniform
Gari
porridge.
porridge.
This I discovered during my childhood.
So that's your recipe.
It's not even my recipe. There was a lady that worked at our family home, and I saw her doing this one day, and I'm like, okay, let me follow and see what's up with this. This was in Liberia, actually. And that was a discovery I made that day, and it was so good.
Gari porridge, guys.
Trust me. Do not sleep on it.
So
just get yourself a
So
pot.
it's basically you making, let's say, soakings, but with hot water.
I wouldn't even call it soakings because you're cooking it down until the gari granules even soften. And it becomes like a porridge, like a proper porridge, like how you eat oats.
Plantains are going inside right now.
Okay, cool. All right.
So our plantains are in the oil right now. We're just going to leave it for it to cook or fry. Anyway, however it will come out. You know, with plantain, it needs
attention. Somebody said plantain is a needy partner.
I swear, plantain is something that you need more attention. It's like steady, it's very, very well because with a list of like till like this, it's bent.
Like this and it's
bent.
bent. So, for example, for jollof rice, don't listen to the jollof rice when it talks to you.
Just let it be.
Let it be. Ignore it.
Let it be.
Don't tell it that it's jollof rice. But when it comes to plantain, you need to pay extra close attention to it.
So right now the plantain is on fire right now.
Okay.
So we're going to pour the gari in the bowl.
All right.
Yes.
So here's your bowl.
Thank you.
Let me
Can you please move this to the other side for me?
Yes, sir.
So we can have more space.
Right.
So the gari is going to go in the bowl. We need water, please.
Yes. Some water over here. Got the water from Jibu. tell me how much to pour in.
Pour in like 2.
2 cups, okay. Before I come and turn your Gari Fotor to a bowl, then you'll come and say that I've spoiled somebody's Gari Fotor.
Whilst there's water in, you're just going to mix it. You can either mix with a spoon or I prefer to do it with my hands because it makes it a bit faster.
Ah, yes.
So just pour it. It's okay. It's okay.
So why are we moistening up the Gari?
And so
what's
make
the
it
science behind
a bit softer.
Okay.
Yes, because you don't want to, have some crunchy Gari Fotor, You're just making it a bit softer.
Okay.
Some people prefer to add a bit of oil to the Gari, but I don't like that because there's a oil in the stew already.
Hey, Aduane Wura cares about our health.
Yes, we don't only eat anything, we care about our health too, yes.
Oh, lovely. So with your next steps of being a foodie influencer, what do you hope to achieve? Are you trying to open a restaurant or are you just still reviewing people's stuff?
I'm trying to, maybe my next step, maybe in the next, 5 years or 2 or 3 years, God willing, we'll try and combine the automobile and the restaurant together. So you can come in, fix your car, change your oils, eat while you're eating.
Don't say this idea loud. There are people watching.
I know, right?
They'll take your idea.
Yes, so that's basically it. You get it. We're just going to combine the two together. Yes, that's basically it.
That's an amazing idea.
So the Aduane Wura is just a startup for myself, so people will know that, this is somebody we can trust to eat from. You get it?
Yes. But with food, what would you say you lean more towards? Do you prefer more of the Ghanaian food?
More of the Ghanaian food. I think I'll just stick to my mom's recipe with the chop bar thing. You get it? That's what I want to do. Because with the rice thing, it comes with a whole lot of, challenges.
Yeah.
But with fufu would never go bad. Fufu always, as long as you get the soup right.
True.
Fufu slaps, that is it.
Very true.
Yes.
Very,
so
very
whilst
true.
Our plantain is on fire, our gari is also set, the next thing we're supposed to do is to check on heat the stew a bit and then,
So I see it's been on low heat.
Yeah.
It's bubbling small. The goal is to not burn the stew.
Not burn it.
While warming it, we don't want to burn it. All right, so are we gonna throw the stew in here?
Yes, no. Just watch and learn.
I'm sorry, fast
So
forward.
guys, this is our stew right now. So this is our gari too. So all you have to do is, it's just like you cooking jollof rice, When your stew is ready, what do? You pour in your rice.
Yes.
But this one you're not going to add water. You just pour your gari in the stew. Pour at least. So let's mix first.
Okay.
To know if we need more gari or not. Can you please lower
Yes.
Yes. I think just turn it off. I will just, you know.
Come, let's check on the front.
Okay.
It's a bit of fire.
Madam, if it burns, it's you.
Not big, not big. Just small fire. It's a beautiful bright color I'm seeing over here.
It comes from the Gino Jollof mix.
Gino
Gino
is
truly
always a winner.
cares, you know.
But anyway, as we are mixing up our Gari Fotor, I want you to know that Secotech has you covered. Go out there and get yourself some Secotech blenders, power titanium blades that can crush through anything you need to crush. You need to get yourself a blender from Secotech, and they also have an amazing air fryer, which you have in the background. Go out there, purchase something from Secotech. Power, precision. You need Secotech in your life. Make it happen. Okay, so the rest of the Gari is going in.
Yes.
Would you need a bit of water, or we just need to trust the process?
Just trust the process.
Trust the process.
Yes.
Okay.
Just trust the process. So now the next thing we're going to add is vegetables, the carrots, the green pepper, the onions.
Okay.
Yes.
So let me help you with that.
Yes, please.
Let me help you.
Yeah.
Hey, it's Damini Janira's kitchen. I've made it in life, guys. I'm a baller, not a
Apart from
mechanic. Okay. So, got our onions and everything in there.
Yes.
There you go.
And then you stir again. This is like you making a party jollof.
Right. Ah, I'm in love with the colors. It's very vibrant.
Yes. Everything is coming all together now.
Yes. So what's going in next?
So what will be in next is the sausages.
Okay.
Before we turn back our fire back on. So all the sausages are going in now, guys. This is called
Assorted Gari
Gari Fotor.
Fotor.
Yes, assorted one.
Not assaulted though, assorted. Assorted.
Somebody say the Gari has assorted.
Assaulted Gari. Oh man, some of those typos on food vendors places.
You know.
They're hilarious.
You know.
They're hilarious. But funny enough, I wonder if it's just me. Let's take a poll to see if I'm weird. Social media chat, let us know. When you go to a food vendor and they have things misspelled on the menu,
See,
how does that make you feel? Because when I see that, then I lose trust.
sometimes, sometimes I don't blame them.
Yeah.
I blame whoever they handed the work to. So, you get it, because somebody can just draw maybe tilapia, or let's say he would write tilapia on the, what's the name, on a chicken.
Yes.
You see a chicken picture, but you see tilapia under.
Tilapia. Grilled tilapia. Nah. When I see those things, I lose trust immediately.
Sometimes it's not their fault. It's from, whoever is
doing the job.
yes. And the eggs are going to go in.
Okay.
Yes.
Let me check on the plantain if you don't mind. The plantain is making some small progress. I like how we put it on low heat because we don't want the plantain to be
burnt, yeah.
Okay. So we're getting somewhere with this. I think we need to turn up the heat a little bit. Actually, let it deep fry. Okay, so eggs are in. Oh, this looks beautiful.
This is how you can make this for if you fight with your partner.
Yes.
And then he's coming home. You can't make some jollof rice or something. You can just make this for him. He's going to like it, trust me.
Oh, gentlemen, you can make it for her because some of you don't like.
Some of you didn't buy anything for your girlfriends.
At all.
On 1st August.
They'll never buy
Try
anything.
and save up.
They won't celebrate you on the 1st of August. They won't cook for you.
On your birthday, a queen was born.
A queen was born, can you imagine? And then they'll post you like they're doing you a favor.
A queen was born.
Okay, so we have majority of our ingredients incorporated.
Yes. So right now, all we need to do is to put the fire on low heat.
Okay.
And then cover this a bit.
So let me help you out with that. Let's move this back just a teensy bit. And just like magic, our plantains are ready. And so is the Gari Fotor. It's time for a taste test.
No, wait. We need some
But
little
I want
spice.
to taste though.
Relax.
Okay, it's fine. I'll wait.
So this
I'll
is
wait.
like a sprinkle. This is some sprinkle. Can you help me stir?
Sure, I can help you stir.
Yes. Just some little spice.
Okay. Nice little garnish with spring onion. Honestly, I think God went the extra mile. He created spring onions for food. Because the way it just elevates the taste of everything is amazing. You got that mixed in.
And now we can have the taste. They said ladies first, but today I'm going to taste first. Because I cooked it.
Oh, really? Okay, fine.
Okay.
So you first.
Perfect.
Making sense? Okay.
Guys, we'll taste the last one again and then we'll let you know.
No. We won't taste. We need to plate up this food.
This is perfect. This is perfect.
This needs to be plated up ASAP.
So now we need to. Where's our plate?
Oh, our plate is right here. Let me put that aside.
So I'll give you. I'm plating this for you.
Oh, so romantic. Oh.
So for you, since you guys are doing flat tummy goals.
Yeah, just small. Me, I eat only small
a
on
pinch.
TV because, you know.
Just a pinch.
Yes.
I hope this is enough.
Yes, that's a lady size portion. Oh, no, it's fine. Like, when the cameras are off, we'll do damage. Don't worry.
So, guys, don't mind us. We are plating this with love.
Yes.
The love and the, you know.
Oh, don't put too much. I'm a lady.
Oh, come
like,
on.
Steve.
Come on.
It's plenty. Wow. Okay, it's becoming plenty at this point.
Okay. So the next thing we're going to put on our plate here is the plantains.
Plantain.
Put some sexy plantains on it.
Sexy plantains.
Yes.
And honestly, this plantain, it went to Harvard. The soft one.
I swear.
Ah, yes. Okay.
And then we'll dice in some avocado. Put in some avocado in it.
All right.
Yes. The sides.
The sides.
Dress it like it's going to Louis Vuitton fashion show.
Hey, okay.
Dress it.
Okay. Teach me about how to plate food, because me, I suck at it. I just be throwing everything
Dress
everywhere.
it very well.
All right.
And then we're left with our eggs. You need to slice it.
Okay.
Into two, divide it into two.
So over to you. Here's your knife. I'll just hold this
Take the
plate
perfect
right here.
egg. As a Ghanaian. Yes. And then just like this. And then we have our perfect bowl of Gari Fotor.
Yes, we do.
Ready to serve you and your family and your husband and
Yes.
your girlfriend, your wife.
Yes.
This is my place, right?
This is my plate. The question is the plate your mate's? This looks amazing.
Yes.
Okay. Now let me have like a proper taste test.
Please.
You know we don't eat much over here, so
Just a tiny bit.
just a little bit.
Just a
little
tiny bit. Guys, I'm sorry.
I want to get a little bit of everything.
Guys, I'm
there's
sorry.
sausage in there. There's eggs. There's vegetables. Your groom price, like.
Okay, 2 Range Rover, a BMW, and then maybe a house in Aduane, and then maybe another house in Ebri. That's all I want.
That's all you need.
That's all I want.
Ladies, he's on the market, oh.
That's all I want. Just
He's
2
on the
houses, 4 cars. That's all. So that I can move from Accra to Ebri, from Accra to Aduane. I even need a helicopter.
I agree with you. You deserve it. After this Gari Fotor, you deserve
Come on, guys. You need this. This is a must try. You should try this. You can check this out. The recipe is on my page too as well, so you can check it at January_2. Yes.
But honestly, this is amazing. I'm not even gassing him up because we're on TV. This is A1. Everyone who comes to Foodie Friday knows how to cook, and this one here is no exception. I love this. Once the camera is off, you're coming to eat.
Thank you. The way I've been waiting for her to close the show. Please. Finally.
Okay, let's close.
Finally.
Let's close.
Finally.
Once these cameras are off, we're going to do damage. But I want you to know that you should go out there and grab something from Secotech, be it a blender, an air fryer, or the other appliances. And also, when you go to the market, Gino is your preferred tomato mix. Ignore all the adverts you see on TV. Gino is the only tomato paste in the whole wide world. Anything else is what? It's not Gino. With that being said, thank you so much for tuning into Foodie Friday. It's been amazing having you. I've been here with Aduane Wura, and this Gari Fotor was busting and banging. Check out our YouTube page, MX24GH on YouTube. We have a full playlist for Foodie Friday where you can catch the old episodes and have yourself a nice little binge and rerun. And until next week, stay safe, stay blessed. I love you guys. KJB out. Mwah.
Bye-bye.